Hey everybody, Frogs here. You see that sub count below you? Believe it or not, that number used to be 150 for an entire year straight. Full dead. If you don't believe me, you can just check socialblade.com. This graph here shows an unpredictable growth spike that most channels only dream to achieve. I want to teach you how I did it, and how you yourself at home watching this can do it too. Believe it or not, but I have been on YouTube persisting since October 2015. Almost 5 entire years. Normally when you go to a sub-growth tutorial video, you would expect the host to tell you that you need to be active and persistent for years to finally achieve growth. However, recent events and users on this platform have definitely proved this wrong. Take MrBeast for example. Okay, moving on to how I got this growth. You ever see your favorite YouTubers doing game jumps from their normal game to trending games? Like how Sunny went from all Minecraft, even when Minecraft was dead, to all Fortnite. Ignore this is not relevant to start growth and never will be. It's not how it works. The only way it works is if you already have a big following on the platform, because all the other trend followers with big channels would already have all the viewers from it. No one wants to watch a 50 sub channel play a game that channels with tens of millions of subscribers are playing themselves. So this leads to trick 1. Pick your favorite game. Relevancy to this game has a little impact to your viewership. You have skills in that game? Exploit that and show your skills off. You're known in that community just by itself? Exploit that. You don't have any reputation in that game at all? No problem, neither did I when I gained 40 subscribers in 1 hour. Trick 2. What community is linked to that game? This could be Discord, for example. Let's say theoretically your favorite game is Minecraft. What community has a high link to that? For example, maybe Minecraft has a huge link to Terraria. Play Terraria as well. This way you're combining two communities who love both games. Sometimes you get great mixes. I exploited the Geometry Dash one by using Discord. Just take a look at these videos. Discord sings EXO, Discord sings Godzilla. Both have 2,000 views each and 100 likes plus. Not even Geometry Dash related, but because Geometry Dash has a high connection to Discord, my Geometry Dash viewers will love the Discord content just as equally along with the Discord community by itself. Trick 3. Live stream. The chances are, if you're watching this, you have already subscribed and you know I do a lot of live streaming. 90% of my subscriber income is from live streaming. There was one point where I got like 10 to 20 subscribers every 2 hours because I live streamed. It was absolutely nuts. That connects me with the community more as I communicate and entertain an audience of up to thousands of people. For me, not personally, but potentially. Why I chose to live stream on Geometry Dash was something that would give me the most connection to my viewers as possible. Something that would require as much contact with them as possible. Level requests. I do a level request maybe an average of 2 to 3 times a week, and I gain a healthy 30 to 40 subscribers a week at my peak, which is actually really impressive for a small channel like me. Because I communicated with my viewers, that kept my sub growth up and kept their unsubscribing down as I communicated more with my viewers. To add on to this, opening a Discord server is one of the best things that you can do with your channel, as it helps with communication even more when you're communicating to your viewers without having to have a video in between the communicating. Using all 3 of these tricks and you can go from 0 to hero with absolutely 0 skill in video production or gaming in itself, though they would help. I'm hoping that every month I can make a video like this, so do subscribe if you wish for more help on YouTube from someone who knows how to exploit the human algorithm. Thank you all so much for watching. Do remember to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers before 2021. And yes, I will see you all next time. Peace.